Want to freshen up your home decor? Hang out for a minute and let us show you how quick and easy it is to make high-end home decor with Chalk Couture. This simple welcome transfer creates the perfect farmhouse greeting for your home. It fits beautifully on our 12 by 18-inch 8-in chalkboard, and it is sure to be a favorite to last you all year long. To begin, I'll remove the transfer design from its backer. This is a reusable adhesive silkscreen designed so that you can make this project again and again, so make sure to hold on to that backer sheet. Next, I'm sticking my transfer onto my fuzzing cloth. This is a microfiber cloth that works to help gentle the adhesive on a sticky transfer. It works by picking up a little lint so that the transfer doesn't stick so hard against your surface. You may need to do this a few times. I'm bringing my transfer onto my surface and getting it centered on my board. Once it's in position, I'm smoothing it out so there are no wrinkles and it's well pressed down. Now we're ready to paste. I'm using our Chalkology paste in colors Eucalyptus, Bright White, and Papaya. Using the hooked side of my multi-tool, I've stirred them to the perfect consistency so that they are ready to use. Before I start pasting though, I'm going to use a little piece of placement tape to mask off the roof of the house. This blocks part of the screen and makes it easy to use different colors and not accidentally get paste where you don't want it. I'll load up my mini squeegee with Papaya and chalk the base of the house. I'm only using a little bit of paste and I'm scraping off any excess so I have a nice smooth application. Now I can remove that placement tape and go in with a different color. Using the straight end of my multi-tool, I'll chalk the roof of the house in bright white. Now with a small squeegee, I'll load up some eucalyptus paste and cover the rest of the screen. This is such a beautiful color palette and the eucalyptus gives us a perfect neutral for this project. Once I've covered my screen and scraped off any extra paste back into my jar, I'm ready to peel. I'm pulling from the middle of the transfer, not the corner, so that I don't stretch the silk screen. It's turned out so perfect. It's crisp, clean, and effortless to make. We like to keep things simple, and so the cleanup is a piece of cake. This is what we call a water bath. You can also wash your transfer easily in a sink or under any running water. Our board eraser not only cleans up boards, but makes quick work of cleaning up transfers and tools. I'm just getting it wet and wiping the transfer clean. The squeegees clean up the same way. Squeeze out the extra water and you're done with your board eraser until next time. Alright, once the transfer is clean, you can lay it flat to dry or you can use our fuzzing cloth to help dry it off. Lay it down and use paper towels to wipe off the water from both the top and from the adhesive side of the transfer. Once it's totally dry, you're ready to reapply the backer. Here's a pro tip. Instead of trying to put the floppy transfer onto the backer, lay the transfer down sticky side up and line up the glossy side of the backer with the transfer. Place it, smooth it out, and it's good to go. With proper care, these transfers can be used again and again. From start to finish, it really is as simple as this. Create custom and beautiful high-end DIY home decor to welcome you home. So go design, love, and repeat with Chalk Couture. Happy chalking!